Let's start question number first of exercise 6.3. Question is convert each of the following percent into fraction in lowest terms. Percentage is given to us and we have to convert it into fraction. Okay, that means we have to remove the percent sign and we have to convert it into fraction. See, whenever we have to convert percent into fraction, what we do, we take the percent, okay, we take the percent and divide by 100. So here is 15%. So we will take the percent, that means we will remove the percent and divide by 100. Divide by 100 means 100 will come in the denominator. Now we will solve it. 15 upon 100. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10 and 0. So this will be 3 upon 20. Okay, so this way we convert percent into fraction. What we do, we take the percent and divide the number by 100. B part is 25%. We have to convert this percent into fraction. So what we have to do, we have to take the percent and divide by 100. Okay, take the percent and divide by 100. So this will be 25 upon 100. Now we have to reduce this fraction into lowest terms. So what we will do, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 0. Okay, 25 and 100 both are divisible by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 0. Now again 5 and 20 are divisible. 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. You can cut on 25 also. 25 1s are 25, 25 4s are 100, or you can cut first by 5 and then again by 5. So this will be 1 by 4. C part is 100%. We have to convert this into fraction. So what we will do, we will take the percent and divide by 100. So this will be 100 divided by 100, and 100 divided by 100 is 1. Okay, 100 divided by 100 is 1. D part is 2 by 3%. This is a fraction. We have to convert this percent into fraction. So what we will do, we will take the percent and divide by 100. So 100 will, there is 3 and 100 is also there, because 100 will come in the denominator. We are dividing by 100. So we will multiply 3 by 100. Okay, in the denominator we will multiply 3 by 100. So this will be 2 upon 300. Like this we will solve. Now come to E part. E part is 3 by 5%. Okay, we have to take the percent and divide by 100. That means 100 will come in the denominator and 5 is also here. So these two numbers will be multiplied. So this will be 3 upon 500. Or you can solve like, see, 3 by 5%. We have to take the percent and divide by 100. Okay, how we divide a fraction by 100? What we do, we change the division sign by multiplication and reciprocal it. This will be 1 by 100 and multiply 3 by 1 and multiply 5 by 100. So this will be 3 upon 500. You can use any method. You can directly write 100 in the denominator, or you can first divide by 100 and then change the division sign to multiplication and then reciprocal it, and after that solve it. Both are same. Fine. F part is 1 3 by 4%. We have to convert it into fraction. So first of all, we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 4 1s are 4 plus 3 is 7. So this will be 7 by 4%. We have to remove the percent sign. So what we will do, we will remove the percent sign and divide by 100. That means 100 will come in the denominator. Now solve it. Here will be 7 and 400s are 400. Multiply 4 by 100. So this will be 7 upon 400. जब भी हमें परसेंट को रिमूव करना है तो आपका 100 क्या आएगा, डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा. और जब भी आपको किसी फ्रैक्शन को परसेंट में कन्वर्ट करना है तो आपका जो 100 है वो कहाँ आएगा, न्यूमिनेटर में आएगा. दिस थिंग यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. व्हेनेवर वी हैव टू रिमूव द परसेंट साइन, वी ऑलवेज राइट 100 in the denominator, and whenever we have to convert the fraction into percent, then we always write 100 in the numerator. Means whenever we have to convert percent into fraction, we always divide by 100, and whenever we have to convert fraction into percent, then we always multiply by 100. Here we are converting percent into fraction, that's the reason that we are writing 100 in the denominator, means we are dividing by 100. Now come to G part. G part is 2 3 by 8%. First of all, convert it into improper fraction. 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 3 is 19 upon 8%. Now we have to remove percent sign, that means 100 will come in the denominator, that means we will divide by 100. Okay, now solve it. This will be 19 upon 800. Okay, like this we will solve this question. Now come to H part. H part is 5 1 by 4%. First of all we will solve it. 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 1 is 21, so this will be 21 upon 4%. Now we have to remove the percent sign, so what we will do, we will remove percent sign and divide by 100, that means we will write 100 in the denominator. Now solve it. This will be 21 upon 400. Okay, so this is first question of exercise 6.3.